energy, Pakistan not only requires support in the energy sector, but it also needs mega initiatives to improve its water shortage capacity. Therefore, development of the North Indus Cascade is a major focus of my government, and the construction of the Bhasha Dam is the single most important initiative in this behalf. Water and food security is of paramount importance for Pakistan, keeping in view the challenges posed by climate change. I am certain that the discussions today will help our experts in formulating a way forward that can provide for win-win cooperation to both sides in the true spirit of one belt, one road. I have carefully noted the important points of your study, and I am impressed by the quality of work and research done in the short time since formation of expert group in February this year. I will ask our Minister for Planning and Development as well as Water and Power to work on this, and I will personally lead and review this work on a regular basis. To conclude, I would like to extend my deep appreciation of the efforts made by all ministries and organizations of China to promote the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. The work done by the NEA in this context has been crucial in achieving the objectives of the energy sector in Pakistan.
वज़ीर-ए-आज़म मोहम्मद नवाज
वज़ीर-ए-आज़म नवाज शरीफ चीन की तवानाई कंपनियों के वफ्द से गुफ्तगू कर रहे हैं। ये मनाजिर हम आपको बीजिंग से बराह रास्त दिखा रहे हैं। बेल्ट एंड रोड फोरम का कॉन्फ्रेंस का इनेकाद किया गया है, जिसमें वज़ीर-ए-आज़म पाकिस्तान या नवाज शरीफ की जानिब से भी शिरकत की गई है। चारों सूबों के वज़ीराए आला इस होने वाली इजलास का हिस्सा हैं और चीन की तवानाई कंपनियों के वफ्द से वज़ीर-ए-आज़म इस पर गुफ्तगू कर रहे हैं।